How to upload a file and start printing in Bambu. Well, it's simple. Go to File, find Import, and then import your STL file. Find the file. I'm going with, let's see, no, the other one. I have another figure that I'm making, a fishman, so open. Here we have the figure. It is set as 10 centimeter, but I want it at 80. So check the uniform scale so it changes uniformly. I put it at 80 millimeter, so now I have the height I want. I go to strength to check if the infill density is at 10%. That's my preferred density. And then support, I want to enable support. I often use 3 because, I don't know, I don't like the other ones. Check, there are a lot of standards that you can use. I like the high quality one. And before you press slice play, always check you have the right printer and the right plate, smooth or rough. And the right diameter, of course. And then you can put a slice plate. Now we have it. On the right side there is a bar where you can scroll up and down to see how it looks on the inside if you want to put some gaps in the printing or anything. But at the moment this is perfect, and then you print. So you can see the hour and how much material you're using. Check the printer again and the plate, and then press which material you're going to use for your figure. And then when you're ready, just put send, and it should go to the printer if the printer is connected.